Now, let's talk about some special elements. First up, we have the noble gases like helium, neon, and argon. These elements are the cool kids of the periodic table. They are stable, non-reactive, and perfectly content with their electron configurations. That's why we use helium in balloons and neon in science. Ever notice that helium-filled balloons float? That's because helium is lighter than air. Here's a quick question for you. Why do you think noble gases almost never react with other elements? You can drop your guesses in the comment section. Now let's switch to the transition metals in the middle, like iron, copper, and gold. These metals are versatile. They are great conductors of electricity and can form colorful compounds which are crucial for everything from building structures to making jewelries. Copper is used in wiring because it conducts electricity so well, while iron is key in construction. And gold, well, gold is a symbol of wealth and beauty. Now, moving on. Do you know the periodic table we use today wasn't always like this? It all started with a scientist named Dmitry Mendeleev in 1869. He organized elements by their atomic mass and even left gaps for elements that hadn't been discovered yet. Over time, the table evolved to be arranged by atomic number thanks to Henry Moseley's work. Mendeleev was like a detective predicting the properties of elements that didn't even exist yet, and he was right. For example, he predicted the properties of germanium before it was discovered. Which modern element do you think filled one of Mendeleev's gap? Write your guesses below. So why should we care about the periodic table today? Well, it's more than just a chart for scientists. It's the blueprint for how the universe works. From the carbon in our bodies to the silicon in our computers, everything is made up of elements. The periodic table helps us understand chemistry, medicine, electronics, and even space exploration. For instance, elements like lithium are essential for making batteries, while platinum is used in medical equipment. Even the water we drink is made from hydrogen and oxygen. To sum it all up, the periodic table is a powerful tool that organizes the building blocks of our world. We've learned about metals, non-metals, groups, periods, and special families like noble gases and transition metals. Thanks for joining me on this journey through the periodic table. See you next time. Stay tuned.